Lord, you created this universe through the command of words. Therefore, even though unseen, words bear power to curse, destroy, and demolish, power to build, restore, and establish. Therefore, the more I heard, the more I yearn to utter edifying words. Maybe I don't see the impact of them in front of my eyes, but I harbor enough faith in that I bear the power to move mountains through words, which is good enough assurance for me. Maybe, Lord, you don't take the pain instantaneously, because if you would, I would no longer find a need to utter words for the straying soul for whom you want to hear words of power. The only weapon I have against dark principalities is words. Of course, Lord, I could pray, take away the pain, the memory, but if you would, I would no longer need to rely on your grace. Maybe you allow it to scorch me so that your grace will be sufficient. Paul massacred Christians. David killed his brother. Peter denied you 3 times, and I am not any better than your most faithful servants. They have repented from their ways. In time, you patched our hearts, and they were able to continue going forward, striving upward. I need to do the same and stop sensationalizing my fall and just be at utmost gratitude to you that you picked me up when I fell. However, Lord, I'm imploring you to take away the pain. Make it hurt less, speed up the healing. Make me light as a feather. Help me bolt doors to the devil's attacks. Help me be unfazed to his provocation. Lord, with your mightiness, cause my perpetrator to seek your face. You say that your thoughts are not my thoughts. Your ways are not my ways. As high as the heavens to the earth are your thoughts and ways in comparison to me. For this reason, I cannot rely on my understanding. I'm only left to ask you that through your thoughts, through your ways, you would accomplish what it was impossible for a human effort to accomplish, which is make him submit to your authority. Help him burst in tears at your feet in repentance of his crimes. In your thoughts and ways, move his heart to be sensitive to you. Through your thoughts and ways, make him stop grieving your spirit. I don't need to see the answer to my prayers, witnessing him heartily serving you. All I need to have is the assurance that you will bring glory to yourself through my suffered pain, and that through my suffered pain, he will find you without conditions or manipulation even yourself. Please establish it as truth that my suffering was necessary to bring him to your salvation. Love, Alina.